Luckily it has a stopper, so it's kind of hard to. Did not need to buy 2 packs. I'm just gonna tell you that. I thought I had deleted this out of my cart, but apparently I didn't. So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back, y'all. So I am on lunch break. Woo! Y'all, I'm ready to get off work. You know how it be when you know you have vacation coming up? Like, you know vacation coming up. You just be ready for the week to just go by so you go on vacation, and then you be ready for your vacations to go by extremely slow. Cause me, I'm ready to get off work. Start the next day, go to work, and probably be off. That's it. That's it. I'm currently waiting for my Amazon order to arrive. I just received my package from Target that I need to open up. So I don't know what's going on with my Target, but it's not having like my coffee that I normally get. They don't have it in stock, y'all. I know this is crazy. So since they don't have it in stock, I have to order it, which is crazy. But luckily it was free shipping. So this is the coffee that I usually get, besides like my espresso coffee, but it's like the keto coffee. It is so good. It's grass-fed butter, Himalayan salt, caramel macchiato. Don't know if you guys have tried this, but it is so good. It's made by Rapid Fire. Now it does have 90 calories in there, so if you're adding creamer and everything, slow down on the creamer, okay? And don't add no sugar. Get you some sugar-free syrup to keep the calories low. But I love this coffee. I've already had 1 cup this morning, but since this has arrived, I'm not even about to hold you. I think about drinking another cup. I didn't drink any espresso today, so I just feel like I should be fine, right? Because what I'm about to do, I have 2 minutes to get my life together, and I gotta go back to work. So I just wanted to open up this vlog. I think I have a meeting after work tonight. Not sure, but I'll be back. Hey y'all, so my Amazon package finally came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in here. So as you guys probably know, I think I told you either in this vlog or the last vlog that Me and hubby are going out of town. Let me hit y'all. Out of town or whatever. So I just ordered me some more individual lashes. This is a different brand than what I normally have, but here are these here. They are made by, is it Bailina Lush? They're Lush clusters. They're a mixed blend. They're supposed to be the Plum Individual Clusters Twin Flowers. So they are 16, 14, 12, and 10. So I usually are going to do like a 16, maybe 2 16s, a 14, a 12, and then a 10 if I could fit like so. 2 16s, 14, 12, and with a 10 right here. So it kind of goes down smaller. That's what I'm going to do for those. I did go ahead and buy some more made by the same company, the lash adhesive. So with this, let me open it for you guys. So it comes in this box, of course. Ugh, if I can get it open. Okay, so here it is. I already have some of this, but just in case, I don't know if it's dry or whatever. Anyway, it's probably not gonna focus because I have it set to sit on my face. But anyway, it has the lock and bond. So one side is the lock that you do on the end, so it's like this clear. So once you put them on, you'll go ahead and put that on to lock them in. And then to actually put them on will be this side. You'll actually put that like the base of your lashes, and then you'll apply the individuals, and that will make it stick. So I picked up that. I have some, but I went ahead and bought some more just in case, because I don't want to be on vacation and then I don't have what I need. You know what I mean? And y'all, apparently I bought 2 packs. Did not need to buy 2 packs. I'm just gonna tell you that. I thought I had deleted this out of my cart, but apparently I didn't. So these are the ones I had before. They look like these. And these are the twin. They're the same set. I just thought this was the smaller pack. I thought I deleted this out the cart, but apparently I didn't because I got both. So I've used these, which are the same as these. It's just a bigger pack. So yeah, so now I have 2. Let me just double check. Yeah, this is 0.07 mix. Yeah, I think these are the same. I thought these were different, but now that I'm reading, they're the same. So I just thought I'd delete these out the cart and got the bigger bag. Apparently I did not. Now I did buy me some lip oils. You've probably seen them all over TikTok. Now the other day I did purchase that Rihanna lip oil, and I don't remember what color or fragrance. It was like cherry something, if I'm not mistaken. But this one, I got the lip oil 15. It is cherry. And then I got a lip oil that is rosewood. So these are supposed to be like some of the dupes or for House of Labs, because my Sephora did not have House of Labs. I would have to go like an hour away, and who's driving? But we're going out of town, so it was like before I even try to go drive an hour to go pick them up, I'm just gonna try these dupes. So I got these here. Hopefully you guys can see them. And like I said, I did get the cherry color, and then I did get the what color is this, y'all? Rosewood. So rosewood looks like a very pretty color. I'm in my like burgundy era. If you have not noticed from like the last couple of vlogs, everything has been like this color. But this is real cute. I know they said that the only difference was like the top, House of Labs or whoever was had a symbol on the top. This one did not, but it's okay. And woo, it smells kind of minty. Wait a minute. It's supposed to be cherry. Yeah, this is supposed to be the cherry one. It does smell minted. I have my retainers in right now, so that's I'm kind of struggling, but but it is a little sticky. Now it does have that stopper, which I think is a good thing, because if not, I feel like it would be really messy. But luckily it has that stopper, so it's kind of hard to take it out a little bit. But this is what the cherry is. Now this one, I can tell you right now, this lip oil, it smells minty. Like for it to be a cherry, yeah, cherry, yeah. 015 cherry, I don't know if y'all guys can see that. Come on camera, work with your girl. So it is 015 cherry. But for it to be cherry, I'm not even gonna hold you, it smells minty. It really does smell minty, but this is definitely thicker than that Rihanna, what is the Rihanna lip oil? This one is thicker. So I think I'm gonna bring this one with me when I go on vacation, because I've been using the lip oil at nighttime when I go to bed, just to keep my lips a little nice. But I'm not gonna hold you. This Lip Glow Oil Color Reviver Cherry Oil, it's thick now. It's thick, it's not really sticky, but it is thick and my lips do feel moisturized. So this is the cherry. Let me just take this cherry off. I think it might have been $4 to $6 if I was on the wall. $4 to $6, but I'm not really sure. But of course, check the description box down below, and I'll have the link down there if y'all want to get these. So that one is cherry, but it still smells like mint. That's crazy. Was not expecting that. So the next one is 012, which is the Rosewood. This color looks really pretty from the bottle though. So maybe I need to get out the camera. So it is a little tough to get out because of that stopper. But I seen somebody take that stopper out and it was a mess. So I do not recommend that. Now, on the thing, it showed like a different color. But to me, as close as I am, I feel like they're clear. Supposed to be like a rosewood. So I don't see like a color, honestly. I see more of like a gloss. Like I don't see any color, and I did 2 coats, so to me it feels like it's clear on us brown skin girls. So I feel like it's clear. Maybe it's not, but to me I feel like it's clear. So I feel like if I was to use these, I would probably like line, like wait a minute, from afar I feel like it's a color. Hold on. Okay, maybe I tripped. Because from when I'm back here, I feel like I can see a color. Like from here, I feel like I see a color. Let me know down in the comment section. Am I tripping? I do see a color. When I'm back here, up here, it looks kind of clear. Back here, it doesn't. But what I would try is using a liner to line my lips, and then I'm putting like a lip gloss, lipstick on, and then using this on top to see if it does like that hint or whatever. But these are some thick lip oils, but my lips really do feel moisturized. It's strange. They feel more moisturized than my other lip oil. These are actually thicker than the Rihanna's, like I said, and they're just a few dollars if you want to try them out. They have some really cute packaging too as well. This one right here definitely feels like the cherry feels more like a lip gloss, which even looks like it too. It looks liquidy. And then this one looks like a lipstick, but I don't know. I mean, it seems cute from what I can see. I don't have any makeup on it or anything, but I feel like if I line my lips and maybe put like a lipstick on, it'll pop. But if you want to try these out, check the comments, check the description box down below, my girl, and yeah, order those. You feel me? But I'm getting ready to what I'm ready to do, chill out for a little while. I need to get some packing done for the trip, so I need to get that stuff done. So yeah, need to get that done. And I need to decide when I want to do my lashes and when I want to do my nails, because I still have not done. I don't think I've done is my toes, and I need to do this wig. I want to put like a little mousse in it to bring it back to life and stuff like that. So I need to get like prepped or whatever for to leave. But anywho, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It might be a shorter vlog. I'm really not sure about the time, but I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.